Hello guys, what's up? I hope everyone is just fine and enjoying. In today's video, we are going to see a maxi with v-neck, frill skirt and elastic sleeves design. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We are starting from cutting back part first. All measurements are written in the video. Shoulder is 8 inch. Neck is 3 inch. Connect the pines. And armholes length is 9 inch. Creating curved line of armholes. Chest round is 10 inch. Waist is 9.5 inch. After connecting all the pines, cut it and see how it looks like. So now we are going to cut front part, place back part in the fabric, mark all the areas with a chalk, and cut it. Front neck is V, so we are going to cut it in this way. Now interfacing, mark 2 inches for the whole front neck and then press it with iron. Now lining. Lining is just as interfacing. Take a piece of fabric and stitch it with the sides of front neck accordingly. After that, press it with iron and turn it in this way. Only lining of back neck is left, so just take a piece of fabric, place it on the back neck and stitch it and press it with iron. Now adding trims or decorations. Create lines like this. All measurements are written here. Trim length is 16 inch. Now take a piece of your trim or decoration, fold it into half and cut it from the middle point. It's just as your choice, you can take as long as you want, and after filling you can just attach it with the front neck. So I think it looks very gorgeous. Now take the back part and attach the shoulders with each other. After finishing the shoulders, now's the time to attach the sides. You stitch these areas. So after finishing this part, now we're going to cut the sleeves. Take 4 layers of the fabric. Length is 22 inches and weight is 8 inches. Place the armholes on the fabric to mark the armholes correctly, then cutting it. We have already taken sleeves length 22 inches because after adding 2 more inches of trim, it would become 24 inches finally. So after adding this trim at the end of your sleeves, measure your hands round and then add this tiny elastic at the end of your sleeves, but 1.5 inches upper than the trim. So then it's how it looks like. Stitch the sides, and after that we're going to connect it with the armholes. Now top is just completed and we're going to start skirt part. Now before connecting the skirt with the waist, we should cut the waistband first, and after that we're going to cut skirt. Waist measurement is 18 inch and waistband is 2 inches more because of the sides. We take it 20 inches and both of them for the back and front are 2 layers. Now skirt part has started 29 inches and its weight is 20 inches, but don't forget to press 1 inch of head of fabric and then frilling and attaching it with waistband. Now for the second layer, take 38 inches for the length and 21 inches for the width, and go through all the steps that we've already did for the first layer or part of the skirt. And we're nearly done. Stitch the endings of the skirt. Oh, finally we're at the end of the video. Stitch the sides to complete this project. So finally, this is the ending look of this beautiful dress. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have not subscribed yet, give a thumbs up, share with your friends, and I will see you in next video.